Today, we will be cooking ostrich, the largest living bird in the world. Ostrich meat is classified as red meat and is very similar in taste, texture, and appearance to beef. Due to its natural tenderness, it requires less cooking time and adapts easily to most recipes. We are whipping up gypsy steak with fried potato and mushroom sauce, courtesy of Chef Tess. As you can see, we are now sauteing the meat. It comes with no bone, no fat to trim, and has very little shrinkage when cooked. It is comparable to beef in providing iron and protein supplements. Significantly, ostrich meat has less than half the fat of chicken and two-thirds less fat than beef and pork. It beats the competition with fewer calories too. That's why ostrich meat is the choice of health-conscious consumers who refuse to sacrifice flavor.